The only singing sand dunes of India are located in Rajasthan, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat. Answer: Ladakh. The ancient Bhimbetka caves are famous for rock paintings, ice formations, Buddhist monasteries, underground rivers. Answer: rock paintings. The mysterious skeleton lake, Rupkund, is found in Eastern Ghats, Nilgiri Hills, Garhwal Himalayas, Aravali Range. Answer: Garhwal Himalayas. Which Indian temple has no shadow at noon due to its unique architecture? Jagannath Temple, Brihadiswara Temple, Konark Sun Temple, Meenakshi Temple. Answer: Brihadiswara Temple. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra was created by meteor impact, volcanic eruption, earthquake, river erosion. Answer: meteor impact. Which Indian island glows blue at night due to bioluminescence? St. Maurice Island, Nail Island, Havelock Island, Barren Island. Answer: Havelock Island. The caves known for naturally glowing insects, glowworms, are found in Borra Caves, Krempuri Caves, Karla Caves, Mosmai Caves. Answer: Mosmai Caves in Meghalaya. Which river in India disappears underground and reappears later? Luni River, Narmada River, Arkavati River, Saraswati River. Answer: Saraswati River, Haryana, Himachal region. Which desert lake appears and disappears depending on rainfall? Gadsiser Lake, Sambhar Lake, Didwana Lake, Tal Chhapar Lake. Answer: Gadsiser Lake. The double-decker living root bridges are found in Nagaland, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam. Answer: Meghalaya. Which temple has a mysterious hanging pillar not touching the ground? Vithala Temple, Hampi, Virupaksha Temple, Kailas Temple, Lingaraj Temple. Answer: Vithala Temple, Hampi. Which saltwater lake turns pink seasonally due to algae? Chilika Lake, Sambhar Lake, Pulicat Lake, Vembanad Lake. Answer: Sambhar Lake. The mysterious magnetic road where vehicles seem to roll uphill is in Gulmarg, Spiti Valley, Ladakh, Oli. Answer: Ladakh. The natural limestone formations called needle rocks are found in Ooty, Munnar, Mahabaleshwar, Wayanad. Answer: Ooty. Which Indian forest is home to the world's tallest tree species outside the US? Arlam Forest, Jadis Valley, Idukki Forest, Silent Valley. Answer, Silent Valley. The unique black marble rocks of Bhedaghat are located near which river? Ganges, Narmada, Godavari, Mahandi. Answer, Narmada. The natural hot water springs of Panamik are located in Meghalaya, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha. Answer, Ladakh. India's unique Valley of Flowers is located in Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Manipur. Answer, Uttarakhand. The mysterious Jatinga village is famous for vanishing river, migrating orchids, bird suicides, self-glowing rocks. Answer, bird suicides. Which place in India has a natural flame burning from ancient times due to gas seepage? Jwalaji, Kamakhya, Vaishno Devi, Tunganath. Answer, Jwalaji. The floating post office of India is located on Dal Lake, Chilika Lake, Vembanad Lake, Loktak Lake. Answer, Dal Lake. Which Indian waterfall disappears completely in summer and returns during monsoon? Chitrakoot Falls, Jag Falls, Hundru Falls, Naukalike Falls. Answer, Jag Falls. The mysterious place where stones naturally move with flowing water in a zigzag pattern. Magnetic Hill, Brahmaputra Banks, Bhedaghat, Kundapura's Rock Garden. Answer, Bhedaghat, Marble Rocks.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks.